everybody.
Alright. So, I'm going to do random chug and burp.
Keeping it fun.
We'd already
hopefully quick.
poured our beers. Well, part of this is we're going to edit and see. So, I'm going to do a little bit of the salt. I'm going to do a little more salt than I expected.
We'll be chugging Michelob Ultra Amber.
Yeah, this beer has been poured and sitting. It wasn't flat, I guess, but you can see how much it's fizzing.
Well, it hasn't been sitting that long.
Fizzing. No, but I mean,
it seriously is like
as soon as you drop salt in it. And these ultras they're very foamy.
Yes. Carbonated too.
Yeah. There are foamy homies. Do you want to go first or you want me to go first?
I can go first. I know you're going to beat me anyway. Great, I got meatloaf stuff everywhere. I'm making meatloaf for dinner, and apparently I'm very sloppy at doing so.
She makes delicious meatloaf. Barbecue.
Cheese, eggs, Italian breadcrumbs, meat, of course.
Yeah.
Part of meatloaf.
In loaf form.
Yeah, so. Okay.
So I don't know if you can.
I gotta take my glasses off because apparently I do better when I don't have my glasses on.
There's 0, so as soon as she starts, I'm gonna time.
Okay. I'm talking to myself in my head. I did a good start, and then it.
Yeah, and you still got 9.
And then it was sloshing.
I don't know if you tilt up.
It's 130 without me. My teeth hit it. I tried to open my mouth a little bit.
It was like.
But it was started doing like a wave thing.
Yeah, I think if it weren't for the very, very end of it, you would have been more like.
I was like, I'm doing good.
8-ish seconds.
Okay.
All right. Got my rocket thing.
Do you need to run upstairs? Do you need Eye of the Tiger?
No, I could just go to the grocery store if I wanted Eye of the Tiger.
I swear, every time I go to Kroger, Eye of the Tiger is playing.
And I still despise that song from 20. I know the song's older than.
Yeah, from your football days.
Ago. Yeah, but 25 years ago from high school football. You ready?
Yeah. You ready?
So,
It really was. I can't reach up there. 6.65.
It would have been a hell of evil chug if I could have lasted another 100th of a second.
Keep for me, you're only fast at chugging.
It's like filming. 126.1.
Oh.
You got 127 yesterday.
Yeah, I did. I got one. I had 103, but I forgot to lift it up. It was 103 while sitting down. Now we're going to do the Michelob Ultra Infusions Lime and Prickly Pear Cactus. This one's very citrusy.
Yeah. I don't know how cactus.
So are you trying to kill the carbonation? Is that what you're doing?
Mm-hmm.
Looks like little fireworks as it drops down.
I mean, it's still just.
Yeah, it's still very fizzy. It's crazy how fizzy.
I mean, yeah, you got one couple here, but look how much more.
I know. Okay.
I don't know what the deal is.
My God, that's going to be so salty.
It is, but we're not talking about really these. We're not doing a taste thing for these beers. Well, I guess I'm gonna have a hell of a burp maybe after. Just still. So you going first on this one too?
Yeah, I'll go first on this one as well. Got this.
You got it, yo.
I got it. What was the last one? 9.65?
6.5, I
We
think.
both got 6.5.
Yeah.
0.65. We were 3 seconds faster, but
Still need 6 seconds, man.
no, you're not. Just a chugging. What? I'm just saying. Women should be jealous. What?
Just looking at you.
My mouth is watering.
In anticipation of that delicious Michelob Ultra. What's so funny?
You? Okay.
Yeah, you really got hung up at the end of that one. Fizzy? The carbonation?
126.9.
What was mine? 126.1?
Yeah, I don't know what the deal was. It's like when I first started, I got a little choked up.
Yeah, it's bad when you get a bad first start.
So I started off bad, so I know that that's what it was. And then it started doing the splashy thing again. I don't remember that doing that. My tongue is tingling.
These are them sort of calm down, so we'll see.
Maybe next time I need to try the salt.
Alright, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Am I ready? Mm-hmm.
I can't answer for you, so.
Fine, true.
How do you do that? 6.26.
I've not been able to get under 6 still. Never gotten 5.
I wish I could remember from our videos on our other channel what the lowest I ever got was. Because I got like where I was getting pretty good.
I think it was like, you might have broken 8 seconds.
I was thinking 7 something.
But I don't know.
I had one that was decent. one that sucked.
And even your one like where you struggled was still the whole purpose that we started chugging on video was because that we watched that woman chug, and then I was like, oh,
Like,
no.
she took like 18 seconds.
Yeah.
It was ridiculous. She kept giggling. It's like, and people watch it. But of course, probably, I think it says something like "cute girl chugging a beer," and she wasn't cute. I'm not hating. She just wasn't cute.
But it wasn't. I mean, it was. It was.
I would have been embarrassed.
It was not.
Now there are people who could freaking chug. Like, you should seriously watch chug videos because we did, and it is freaking amazing.
And like
how some
them,
people could chug beers. Like, how do you do that in like 3 seconds?
And then some of them like chug like
Multiples. I would vomit.
Pictures and stuff.
I would vomit. Like, I would just vomit.
Now we did. We
did a 32. We did a moonshine jar.
Did we do the full moonshine? I know we've done 2 beer chugs. So it was 24
I was thinking
ounce.
we did. Maybe we just had to put it in a moonshine jar to hold it all. But yeah. So, Josh kicked my ass again. But I beat him in burp.
You did. And
Not by much.
I haven't had one since the second one.
Me, as soon as I drink it, I got a burp.
I feel a little something right here, but I don't feel like it's ready
to produce.
Yeah. Let's see what I got here.
Sometimes I think you're going to vomit on it. It starts to sound a little chunky.
Well, you know, it's all for the cause, dear.
Hello, when you got one of these. Alright. Well, that was our chug. Stay tuned because we got some beer tasting to do.
Mm-hmm.
Beer reviews for you guys.
And
Jen's not looking forward to them, except for one.
Yeah.
Because I don't know what you're going to edit out of the other one and what's staying. We did the videos last night, except for one that I was really looking forward to because we were shit-faced by the time we got to it. So we did reviews already, but you'll never see them because we've already deleted them because we're super chatty. The more we drink, the chattier we get.
Yeah, we ran out of memory on them.
We had a lot to drink yesterday.
We pretty much started as soon as we got home.
We did.
So, but anyway, so
stay tuned. We
how
have
this one
more.
turns out. Catch you on the flip side.
Peace out. Rock and roll.